nyakla kod mago mag jela okawo paro kod dwaro mag obila e ngas mopogore opogore. Jakom Commissioner David Maraga kod Commissioners osingo goyo kogno gigo manie oboke mochwalnegi kowuok kuom bad migawo mar obila. Commissioners 23 go biro chako lorore e tesende mag obila kod ute mag jela mar sumo pach obila kod jotelo. Ogai mar obila Jafeth Kome bende bero ni en gi yie ni Maraga gi Langi biro rango nyaka dwach obila ma thoro yudo hinyruok ma chwe wegi kod ng'ol.
So I got a torch at Coast sites for operation during the day and the night.
The memoranda we have already received from the IPOA, from the National Police Service Commission, from the National Police itself, from the Kenya Prison Service, actually I've said a lot about that. And we have actually asked them to each make their own memorandum. We are considering all that. As I mentioned, one of the major issues that this task force is going to deal with is the issue of operational constraints.
Yes, they have assured us all what we presented to them. They will look at our memorandum. Then finally, the officers, their conditions as they serve, their terms of conditions, they are assured will be improved.
Yeah.